Thanks for tuning in DigiNews. I'm your host, Amanda. To advance toward Industry 4.0, Digiwin Software has been actively promoting the implementation and integration of IT and OT. As the leading software solution provider, DigiwinSoft established branches in Southeast Asia to provide regional services. Through excellent consulting experience in Taiwan, DigiwinSoft has cultivated local talents and teams to assist many Malaysian companies in digital transformation. Not only with high quality, but the digital solutions also align with the local tax and policy requirements. DigiwinSoft has helped more than 200 enterprises to acquire government funds and subsidy programs such as SAG. Think global, act local is the aim. DigiwinSoft has collaborated with official organizations to hold a webinar for manufacturers in Malaysia. With the great help of the APO Individual Country Observational Study Missions (IOSM) from Malaysia to the Republic of China, MPC and CPC, it was a great success. In short, DigiwinSoft is definitely the most trusted partner in digitalization. In the virtual workshop on accelerating digitalization adoption to improve productivity and competitiveness of manufacturing industry in Malaysia, DigiwinSoft has covered these themes: the digital transformation blueprint and roadmap of Taiwan manufacturing sector to upgrade competitive power, and replications of Taiwan's digitalization experience and successful case sharing of Malaysian manufacturers. Let's have a look at these videos.
中小型企业应该先以策略性小范围，如单一产品、单一生产线或者单一产区来开始，成功之后再优化。
这么多的这个生产的流程啊，要在最短的时间看到它的效益，我们就要针对这些红色的关键瓶颈工站先做到数位化的管理。
Thanks for watching and see you next time.